Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do the Easter training event in Garden Game of Roblox Easter Finale Update. Okay, finally this is the last update of the Easter event in Garden. And there is new event guys. It's called the Easter training event. And basically here you just need to complete the Easter quest, and it will be easier if you have a team, so you can invite your friend to join your team. I'm already in a team right now. This is my team and this is my total team score. If you have a team, you will be able to get the team rewards, and the team rewards arrive in 5 days. So you need to earn the score as many as possible to claim the team reward. Okay, and I'm going to show you the quest that we need to complete. This is the quest. You will have 3 quests, and it will be refreshed in 6 hours if I'm not mistaken. And my quest for now are opening 3 Easter seed pack, and then harvesting Easter chocolate berries, and also harvesting the Easter licorice. Okay, and after you complete your quest, you will get 1 score, and it will be added to your team score. Okay, and this is for the individual reward after you get 1 score or after completing the quest. And yeah, that's how the Easter training event works in Garden. Okay guys, and that's all for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.